Blog, YouTube, we are back with another one. Let's hope this one goes a tad bit better. Empty box. I mean, that's not really a milestone. Shit, don't be surprised, man. Do not be surprised. All base. All right. I saw the team, so somebody will be happy. Terrell Thomas. Who the hell is that? 70 out of 100. Yeah, it's for Tanvir, but yeah, neither have I. For BB Express, number 2 out of 50, Chester Taylor. All right, it's a hit nonetheless. Oh, and I'm talking crazy. I'm trying to give away the card. That damn card is mine. Oh, damn. Kevin O'Connell. 176 out of 599. Yeah, I thought it was Brady too. Oh man. Nice insert though for the guy who just PM'd me. 351 out of 500. Brandon Marshalls. Alright. Nah, you didn't. You ain't missed nothing. It's a Longhorn. Jamal Charles for the Kansas City Chiefs. You come back to a damn hit. 61 out of 100. Wow, lucky you. Only that would happen to you. That's all base. Matt Flynn, the LSU boy for the Packers. 529 out of 1500. Oh. Let's see, it might be nice. For the Minnesota Vikings, Chuck Foreman. 29 out of 30. All right. The mojo has died. 897 out of 1,000. Darren McFadden insert. That is it. That box got a smidget better, but not by much. Please stay tuned.